Time to play the game. Time to play the game!
Caesar's Palace, this is Yvonne.
Oh, Carolina,
Excuse me? This is Caesar's Palace, sir.
I'm telling ya, this is Shaggy.
Who are you?
I'd like to book a room, please. Mrs. Lova.
Front desk, this is Grace. May I help you?
I'm telling ya, this is Shaggy.
We are sold out.
Can you tell me if you have a restaurant in the hotel?
We have several.
Yeah, what time are they open for dinner?
Coffee shop is open 24 hours a day.
Does your restaurant do steak?
Yes, it does.
Yeah, do they have fruit?
Of course.
Yeah, do they have prawns?
I believe so.
Do they have galjufi and prawns?
I really don't know.
Oh, you're hearing my language about my favorite sandwich with a little pickle and a helping of prunes.
You're welcome.
I want an iron.
That would be no problem.
I want an iron.
An iron?
I want an iron for me room to make me pants look nice. Oh, Mrs. Lova.